Hello guys and welcome back to my channel. So in this video I will tell you that how to apply for formula to entire column in Microsoft Excel. So before starting the video, make sure to like this video and subscribe to our YouTube channel for more tips and tricks like this one. Okay, so let's suppose that if you want to sum these two values here or all of these values here, and you don't want to basically write formula for each of them here, so what you gonna have to do, you will just enter the formula that will plus this value here, which is in a1 and then b1. Okay, so how you can do this: in the next cell type this formula is equal to sum, and then this is the first number, and then you will basically plus, and then this is the second number, and then close this bracket here. And now you can see that we have summed this number. Now to apply this formula to all of the cells here, basically if you go to the right side, right bottom of the cell here, you can see this plus symbol. Okay, so you just need to basically hold and drag this to the last cell where you want this formula to apply. So like hold it like this and just drag it to the last here, and now you can see that this formula has automatically applied itself to all of the cells here. So that's it for this video guys. If you find it useful, kindly like this video and subscribe to my channel, and I will meet you in the next video.